Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be doing the reaction for the official trailer of Shershaah, which is an upcoming Hindi film in Amazon Prime Video, and it stars Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani. Now this movie is the biopic of the late Indian Army officer Captain Vikram Batra, who had been awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his actions that he did in the Kargil War in 1999. So that the very fact that this is a biopic on him has gotten me really excited. So let's not delay this any further and check this trailer out. Okay, this is released on August 12th. Okay, let us begin.
एक फौजी के रुतबे से बड़ा कोई और रुतबा नहीं होता। वर्दी की शान से बड़ी कोई और शान नहीं होती, और अपने देश से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता। जैन साहब, लेफ्टिनेंट विक्रम बत्रा रिपोर्टिंग सर।
क्या जगह है सर? जहां देखो वहां पिक्चर पोस्ट कार्ड दिखाई देते हैं।
ये जगह जितनी खूबसूरत दिखती है ना, उससे कहीं ज्यादा खतरनाक भी।
हिंदुस्तानी फौज से हमदर्दी करने वालों के लिए उनके दिलों में खौफ तना रहना
Oh
जरूरी
my
है।
God.
वो हाल करो हिंदुस्तानी फौजियों का कि कोई उनकी लाशें देखने की भी हिम्मत न जुटा पाए।
हम तैयार हैं जनाब।
हम शांति की रक्षा के लिए अपनी शक्ति का भी प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं।
हर फौजी का सपना होता है कि कम से कम एक बार वॉर में जाने का मौका मिले।
तू सारे मार कट के वापस आ जाएगा।
कोई फिक्र न कर जानी, मैं तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊंगा, नहीं तो उसमें लिपट के आऊंगा।
लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर। हाँ,
अगली बार लौटेगा ना तो बस मेरे लिए आना।
If you're a Fauji, then you live by chance, love by choice, and fight by profession.
Lieutenant Vikram Batra,
Sir,
your code name is Shershaah.
तो हो तैयार? करोगे वार? एक अपना जीत अपनी दुर्गे माता की।
तुम लोगों की मौत आसमान से बरसेगी।
अपनी मौत को दुश्मन की मौत बना। इन नामी को आता ऐसा नहीं।
जिद्दां ना होया मेरा ब्याह विक्रम नाल ते फिर मैं कदी किसी भी नाल ब्याह ना करूंगी।
कुछ भी हो जाए, तिरंगा हम ही लहराएंगे।
Target for Shershaah, last message over.
ये दिल मांगे मोर सर, ये दिल मांगे मोर।
Goosebumps. Goosebumps. Wow. Love it. Stop this. I loved it. I loved it. I loved the trailer. It was a little long trailer. काफी कुछ उन्होंने दे दिया उसमें, but it's okay. It's okay. It still got me hyped up. It still got me hyped up. Let's talk about the BGM first. I love this BGM that was used in the trailer. I don't know who is the music director. I'm guessing इसमें दिया होगा. Starring नहीं, credits में नहीं दिया है. No problem. I'll check it out. But the BGM used was just amazing. It really gave me the goosebumps feeling. How it becomes like it starts and becomes intense when you see all those war scenes. Second, the cinematography looks brilliant. From the trailer cut only I can see जो भी all the war scenes जो भी shoot हो रहा है, that is going to be very intense, and I really like all the nighttime scenes are so well lit up. I was able to see it crystal clear. All of those shots, it looked fabulous. The cinematography I think is going to be one of the biggest highlights in this film. That's what I feel. Then coming to Siddharth Malhotra. Firstly, I really like Siddharth Malhotra, but I think he has made some really bad choices when picking up scripts. That is one reason. And second thing is that I don't think the directors who have not really tapped into his potential of acting. This movie is going to be such a huge deal for him. I can totally feel him giving his heart and soul to this film. His dialogue delivery, his stance, he is so convincing right now for me as the Indian Army officer, Captain Vikram Batra. मुझे ट्रेलर देख के लगा that yes, he is going to do justice to this role. His dialogue delivery, his intensity, the emotions, I felt it. I think this is going to be one of the most epic films of 2021, considering Bollywood. मैं सिर्फ हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की बात कर रही हूँ. And Bollywood at this moment really needs good hits to sort of rectify its image, if I should say so. Really, I mean, it's half the year is already over and we've literally got a handful. We've literally gotten only a handful of good films. जब कितनी films release हुई है 2021 में. So I'm really looking forward to this because it looks great. This has gotten me hyped up. Kiara Advani also looks nice. I really liked her dialogue delivery in the Punjabi accent. It didn't look fake, it didn't sound fake. So I think she is also going to do a good job. I don't know how big her role is going to be because I feel the movie is essentially of Vikram Batra, so it's going to chart, because if you see the first scene, Lieutenant Vikram Batra, so it starts with him being the lieutenant and rising to the ranks of captain. तो वो पूरा जर्नी दिखाएंगे. That is one thing that I've understood from this trailer. It is not just the particular Kargil war part that is going to be shown. The full journey of Vikram Batra is going to be shown because it's fair. It's a biopic. The personal life plus his life in the army. So both are going to be shown, and I hope they balance it out properly. And of course, this is going to cover a very, very significant history, which is the 1999 Kargil war. So I hope the makers have done full justice. They have treated this material with all its fairness, giving respect to the Indian Army, giving respect to late Captain Vikram Batra, all his family members, because I'm sure कि family के साथ ही discuss करके this biopic is getting made. So yes, I am highly, highly looking forward to this. Do let me know, what did you think of this trailer? Are you looking forward for this film or not? So yes, that was my reaction for the trailer of Shershah. I loved it. I will definitely be watching it on 12th of August. So yes, that was it from me. I'll sign off now and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.